In this video, I'll do some demolition in a Range Rover.
Oh.
I'll do some more demolition with my bare hands. And I'll learn to drive a mini digger.
Watch out for me, man. Get in.
This is part 3 of turning this mansion into my dream home. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're trying to turn this into this. Subscribe to follow the story.
You're an animal.
Do you know what else is an animal? All these RC cars behind me here. It's the biggest bundle that I've ever had, and you can win all of them. $10,000 worth or $15,000 cash alternative. I'm going to put a link down below in the description box where you can get a full list of all the cars and how you can win them. When the storm was here, it shedded all the stuff all over the grass, and picking it all up takes a lot of time. So I looked online for like lawn sweeper, and I've already got one there, so that should make easy work of it. Just drive over it and the stuff's gone. Up there on the roof where the scaffolding is, the storm blew off those ridge tiles and it put a big hole in the roof there, but they fixed it all now. Over there, there's loads of these all half rotten away. I've got the scrap man coming in a couple of days to pick it all up.
Oh, yeah, just about.
So here's a big heap of stuff. All of this came out inside the woods. I want to make the woods a little bit more natural, because at the minute it's got all this man-made stuff in there, and if you don't keep on top of it, it's going to look a mess. Anyway, I want to make it a little bit more useful for getting the RCs through and for getting videos, and some of these little tracks through here, they're so tight that it's difficult getting anything through. So we've got to make everything wider. All this stuff here's got to go. Probably looked quite nice when it was all put up.
When it was maintained.
Well, they had full-time gardeners here, and I think it looks better to be a bit more natural. Each one of them, there must be hours and hours and hours spent weeding all this lot, and if you don't, it just looks like that. So the whole lot's got to go. Started making some of the tracks a little bit wider. We're going to get rid of all these slabs, get rid of all the gravel, all the wood chippings we've been doing. They can all go on the floor, keep the weeds away. Made it wider through there.
That's much better.
So hopefully it's going to be a lot better for bashing RCs and to maintain. Anyway, I know, a quicker way. Ready?
Yeah.
Boom! There we go, all loaded up. Now we've got to chuck it on the heap. Man, everything is drenched and we're ruining the grass. So we probably need to make this little lane here, put something down on here, because otherwise it's going to turn into a swamp. So we've got to lob all of that onto there, and the grab truck will come take it all away. Anyway, let's have a look what Scotty's been up to. What you been doing, mate?
Building the wall over there.
Ah, show us what you've done. There, we've put a hole in the wall. You might be thinking, why? Let me show you. So there's grass, and this wall here goes all the way around the outside. So it makes it difficult to mow the lawn. What we've been doing up until now is getting those planks and putting them up the steps there, and then pushing up the hand mower. And that's quite a lot of grass there. It might not look it, but that's a few hours there doing it by hand. So now we can get the ride on up there through that hole in the wall there. Boom! Big heap of rubbish, empty trailer.
Kevin, what are you doing?
It's all defensive, so it's got to go.
Spent all this money making it look nice in here, and now he wants this gone as well.
Anything offensive going is fun.
Watch out. Have it.
Come on, Bobby, finish it.
I haven't got gloves on! No chance! Oh, cheers, mate.
So this is the apartment kitchen. This is not the main house, this is not the little guest house, but it's where I'm going to live while the main house is being done up. So if something's offensive, it has to go and you deal with it later. So this
Come on, boy arms. Watch out for the frame. Too late.
Yeah, brackets on it, but... Come on, Kevin.
finish it, Scotty.
It's over my way. Come on, get on it with me.
Jesus!
Right, take the camera, give me a go. What's the pipe?
Well, okay.
The heap is getting bigger. So this whole part of the house here is all coming down. It's not in keeping with the rest of the house, So it's all going. So we're definitely going to put something on here more in keeping with the house.
I like.
When you've got a haunted house, it comes with a haunted piano. Anyway, next thing, we're trying to make more space. I want to get that forklift over there. I want to be able to fit that in here. And up there, we found some steel. We can use that steel and build a frame so that we can put that lawnmower underneath it. And then over there, look, we can put that on top of it. But we've got to get it down.
How are we going to do that?
We're going to do it with that.
It might bind the rope might bind up in the blade, but we can try it.
Oh.
Oop, wrong way.
Let's cut this one.
Yeah, it's doing what I said it would do.
Oh.
Is it cutting it? There we go.
It happened exactly how I expected it to happen. Here we got the grab truck picking up all the junk. So next up, we're going to build the frame. So because this is wasting loads of space, I want to put this on top of that. So I'm just cutting up these bits of metal there. This might be a two-man job. Almost, we got it. Don't think those welds will come out too bad. So now we just need to get this into the corner, that underneath it, that on top of it. Hopefully that forklift is going to fit through that door.
Watch your mirror. Watch the mirror!
We got this stupid arm thing getting all tangled up. Yeah, that's it, keep going. Keep going, that's it, we're clear. This forklift feels small when you're driving it around outside, but in here it feels massive now.
Straighten up.
We got that on top, this underneath. Boom, there we go. Everything is back in the shed. It's a bit of a squeeze, and it might be a bit of a mission getting stuff in and out. Maybe in future we build a bigger shed. A few days later, finished it. Looking good, Scotty.
Oh, it's as good as it's going to get.
Yeah, it's good enough. Because at least now, see all this grass on here that we need to mow, that can do it now. Whereas before, we could only do it with a little push mower. How long did it take? About 4 hours?
I mean, yeah, 4 hours, Kevin. Yeah, 4 hours.
So now, hopefully, we can do it in like 10 minutes. Next up, main house. I've been messing about on AI just to try and get like some designs and to see how I like it. But over there's bushes, and the AI is really struggling to know what's behind it. And they're all going to come out anyway. So let's pull the bushes out now, and then we can play about on the AI, get some ideas and see how it's all going to look. And I know what you're going to say. You're going to say it looks nice now, and I'm making it worse. But that's kind of the thing when you're doing building and constructions. You make it look worse to start with, but then later on it's going to look nicer. See over there, we've already taken the bushes out. We've knocked that wall down. I agree, it looks worse at the moment, but it's going to look better. Don't worry, don't worry. Beautiful. So we've got this nice natural stone here, and I'd like to keep that really, and that's also behind the bushes there. These bushes are a bit overgrown and they're all a bit of a mix and too big, and it's all covering up the balustrades. I want to see all these balustrades. But then if we look down here, the rest of the building is white. So I don't know how it's going to tie in being stone and then white. So anyway, bushes are going to be gone. Then we'll mess about with the AI and then we can get some ideas and tell the builders what we want them to do. So here's the kitchen that we smashed out a little while ago. We've got Terry in here just doing a few bits, decorating. Doing a beautiful job, mate. What's been going on over here? This is going to be the living room. And so here's all the new kitchen. And then going through here. Still need to do some more painting in here. So this in here is just like the guest house. So bathrooms get in there. All tiled up, shower in, toilets in, Need to get the electrician back in again. And then through here is my YouTube room. Still getting loads of work done. So we started painting the ceiling. We're getting this fireplace all buttoned up and everything. There's a few cracks in the plaster that he sorted out. All this stuff's being all made nice. It's difficult to show it on camera, but this room here is probably about 10 times the size of what the studio is that I'm working from now. Here we got some more of this crazy fast internet cable that we're putting out the whole entire house. There's nearly a mile of cable to put in here, so it's a lot of work. So up here, if you see the peak of that roof there, I want to bring it down. I want this part of the roof there to line up with this part and then make it a little bit more beefy. Anyway, let's get these bushes out. Before you tell me off, I know. It's going to look more ugly for the time being, but it will look better when it's done. Go on, Scotty, get it gone.
Getting pricked in the ass.
I'll get rid of that then. Ow. Oh man, prickly bushes. I had one, ow. Everything prickly around here, we're getting rid of it. Roses, everything. I know people like roses. They look nice, but I'm not being prickled every day.
We'll put the strap higher this time. There we go.
It's just pulled a bit out the middle and just left all that lot in there. I do like that stone wall, but once that's gone, it might look too much. So I don't know if to render it all white. I don't know. We'll play about with the AI in a minute, and then you guys in the comments can give me some suggestions as well.
Action! Well, it's half down.
I was expecting it to come out easier than that.
Whoa!
I felt like a car crash.
It looked like a car crash.
I reckon if we try and pull it that way, hopefully it'll wiggle it out. And how can a bush be so strong? So next up, we're going to pull it this way. Hopefully that's going to wiggle it loose. However, we're getting really close to that wall there. I don't want to hit it. Terry's just come out so you can see what's happening. I know the viewers want to see me hit the wall, don't they?
Of course they do. I want to see you hit the wall.
No, we're not hitting the wall.
You big kid.
Why is that bush not coming out? Come out.
How to burn your clutch off.
Oh,
He got it. He got it. Jeez, that's some hole there.
that's what she said. Look what I have created.
A mess.
Well, that's all the bushes gone. So now, let's go up there, get a picture and hopefully get a nice AI image and just play about some different designs. So here's what it looks like now. So here's an AI picture before we took the bushes out. You can see on the centre roof thing, I brought that down and made it a bit more chunky. I think it looks a lot nicer like that. And also, I gave it black windows and doors. Here's a picture with the stonework removed and rendered white and a nice bush put in front of it. And you can see to the right hand side, I put like a staircase going up, and then we can have like a balcony in front of the kitchen. Anyway, here's a picture with the stonework still there, and I don't know if it looks a bit weird where the stone wall ends and then where it goes white on the rest of the house, and I'm not really fully sure what to do with it. So either we get rid of it fully or we leave it as it is, or if any of you guys have got any other ideas, let me know in the comments. And then coming around the back of the house, I'm trying to mess about with the AI to try and make it look a bit nicer. So I'm not a fan of the whole lower level. It looks a bit like an industrial estate. All this stuff here. I don't know. I just don't think it looks quite right. So here's one idea that I came out with. And it sort of squares up the staircase. Some nice pillars there. Some nicer windows. And I tried it with 2 staircases as well to make it more symmetrical. What do you reckon? I reckon it looks pretty good with the 2, you know. Next up, we've got to dig out some roots. And I'm not going to do it by hand. So I've got this thing here. No idea how you drive it, so I better learn. Oh, right, cut a sec. Come on. Oh, yeah.
Oh, easy. Now. Just do gentle movement. Is this really a good idea? Watch out for the... Oh, for God's sake.
I'm learning.
I need to get out the way before you kill me.
Let's go forward.
Isn't it that one?
Where?
No, the sticks. In front of you. No, the sticks right in front of you. Jesus. Kev, for God's sake, be careful. Oh no, he's found the throttle. Watch out for the grass. Oh, Kevin. Just don't dig up the grass. Watch the wall. This is not a good idea.
Oh, this is easy. I got this.
Watch out for me, man. Kevin.
What?
Don't you dare. Just go easy, Kev. Lift it.
Oh,
Easy. That's it.
not getting it.
Lift it up.
Your pipe's got heavy in there.
I know.
Oh, you know what?
Brave or stupid, one of the two. Yeah. Bloody hell. Jesus.
Getting it?
That's it, it's got it.
That's definitely easier than trying to dig it all out by hand, that's for sure. There we go, got all the roots out, and then we're going to put some nice Hollywood style bushes in there. It'll look really nice when it's done. You wait. Do you want to win one of my RC cars? Click here. Click here to subscribe and become part of the crew. It's free. Or click here to see one of my other videos.